Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda HRV from 2016 to 2022 may present a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC P0532, which indicates a low voltage condition in the AC pressure sensor circuit. This issue can often affect the performance of the vehicle's air conditioning system, leading to inefficient cooling or even complete failure of the AC system. The AC pressure sensor plays a crucial role in determining the refrigerant pressure within the air conditioning system. This sensor is typically located near the AC compressor, and it sends voltage signals to the powertrain control module, or PCM, to regulate the AC system operation. Understanding and addressing DTC P0532 promptly is essential to maintain the vehicle's comfort and operation. The DTC P0532 specifically points to an issue with the AC pressure sensor circuit, indicating low voltage. The AC pressure sensor is essential in monitoring the refrigerant pressure, ensuring proper AC operation and efficiency. Its geographical location is near the AC compressor, which is found in the engine compartment. This sensor communicates with the PCM to adjust the AC system parameters based on the pressure readings. If the output from the sensor is less than expected, this can lead to inadequate refrigerant flow, resulting in poor cooling performance. When diagnosing this error, it's vital to understand how the pressure sensor functions within the overall AC system to resolve the issue effectively. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0532. A common issue could be poor connections or loose terminals, either at the AC pressure sensor itself or at the PCM. Such connection issues could cause an unreliable signal, leading to low voltage readings. Another possibility is a faulty AC pressure sensor. If the sensor fails, it may not produce an accurate voltage signal. Open or shorted wires along the PD sensor line can disrupt the communication between the sensor and the PCM. These issues can prevent the air conditioning system from functioning correctly, and addressing these causative factors is crucial in resolving the DTC. When facing the DTC P0532, several symptoms may arise, primarily due to the malfunctioning AC system. One common symptom is inadequate cooling from the air conditioning vents, which may suggest that the AC system is not working properly. Drivers might also notice inconsistent AC operation, where the system may intermittently function or completely fail to cool. Additionally, this DTC will be displayed on the vehicle's diagnostic system, alerting technicians that there is an issue requiring further investigation. Observing these symptoms is critical as they guide the troubleshooting process in pinpointing the underlying problem with the AC pressure sensor. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P0532 involves verifying the problem under controlled conditions. First, start the engine and allow it to idle for a few minutes. Next, turn the blower switch to the on position, followed by turning the AC switch on. This ensures the system is operational while enabling accurate testing of the AC pressure sensor. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, check the voltage output from the AC pressure sensor. If it registers less than 0.24 volts, it indicates a confirmed fault with the sensor circuit. If the conditions meet this threshold, the failure is reproduced, prompting the technician to proceed to the next step. In this second troubleshooting step, begin by turning the vehicle to the off position and disconnect the AC pressure sensor from its 3P connector. This isolation allows for further assessment of the sensor's performance without interference from other components. Next, turn the ignition to the on position while ensuring the engine remains off. With the HDS, measure the voltage output from the now disconnected AC pressure sensor. If the voltage output is still below the expected value of 0.24 volts, the issue may reside within the sensor itself, or the wiring leading to it. A voltage reading above the threshold will indicate that the sensor wiring likely remains functional, guiding the technician to continue troubleshooting. Step 3 entails measuring the voltage between specific test points of the AC pressure sensor 3P connector. Ensure that the vehicle is in the on mode, but the AC pressure sensor should remain disconnected. The first test point is the number 1 pin of the sensor's connector, and the second is the number 3 pin. The expected measurement should be approximately 5.0 volts. If the result is satisfactory, it suggests that the wiring integrity is upheld and that a faulty AC pressure sensor is likely. If the voltage does not meet this standard, it directs technicians to conduct an inspection of the wiring and connections associated with this circuit. In troubleshooting step 4, begin by placing the vehicle into the off mode. An important action here is to jump the SCS line using the HDS, as this step prepares the system for electrical testing. After performing that action, disconnect the PCM connector A. This disconnection is essential to test the wiring from the AC pressure sensor to the PCM effectively. With the vehicle still in the off position, check for continuity between the specified test points, the number 37 terminal at the PCM and the number 3 pin of the AC pressure sensor connector. If there is continuity, it indicates that the VCC5 wire is operational, necessitating either a software update for the PCM or replacement if the issue persists. Step 5 follows a similar approach as the previous step, but focuses on checking for shorts in the PD sensor line. Begin with turning the vehicle off before performing the SCS line jump. Afterward, it is vital to disconnect the same PCM connector A. Continuity must be checked between another set of points, the number 2 pin of the AC pressure sensor connector and a body ground. Establishing continuity in this circuit suggests there is a short in the PD sensor wire, and this requires immediate repair. If no continuity is found, the PD sensor wire may be intact, but further action will likely involve updating the PCM or substituting it to clear the DTC P0532. After completing the necessary repairs to fix DTC P0532, it's critical to perform a final verification process. Start by confirming that the repairs made were successful by clearing any stored DTC codes in the vehicle system. Once cleared, conduct a test drive or idle the vehicle to ensure that the DTC does not reappear. It is equally important to assess the AC system functionality post-repair by checking if the air conditioning operates efficiently. By performing these steps, technicians can ensure that the issues related to the AC pressure sensor circuit have been adequately addressed and the system is functioning as intended. To ensure optimal performance and longevity of the AC system in the Honda HRV, preventive maintenance is paramount. Regular inspections of electrical wiring connected to the AC pressure sensor can help identify any wear or corrosion that may lead to future issues. It's also beneficial to periodically check the refrigerant pressure in the AC system to ensure it is within specified limits, as this can prevent premature sensor failure. Additionally, keeping the vehicle software updated can help address known issues and enhance functionality across components. Engaging in these proactive measures can save time and expenses associated with unexpected repairs or system failures. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P0532 is essential for maintaining the AC system's performance in the Honda HRV. Following the troubleshooting steps systematically helps diagnose and address potential faults related to the AC pressure sensor circuit. Effective troubleshooting, combined with proper preventive maintenance, can mitigate issues before they become severe maintaining vehicle comfort and functionality. The AC pressure sensor's role is vital in ensuring the refrigerant operates correctly, thus supporting a seamless driving experience. Addressing issues related to this DTC promptly ensures the air conditioning system remains efficient and reliable for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.